Good day everyone! Andito nga po kami ngayon sa sports complex ng South Cotabato and currently we are having our swimming lesson for senior high school curriculum and this is aquatics. Isa po ito sa mga sections ko, ang STEM 3, and they will be undergoing training for swimming. So, tuturuan po sila ng mga basic skills na kailangan upang matuto po silang lumangoy. Though others are swimmers already, pero sa mga hindi marunong, actually, I really like this, no? I am advocating water safety. Alam mo, mas nai-enjoy mo kasi yung tubig, yung pool, yung dagat, if you know how to swim. So one of the skills that they need to know or to learn is the bubbling, wherein they are practicing how to properly breathe in the water. Yan po ang isa sa mga basic skills. Next po is ang kicking. Kicking allows them to at least propel in the water or to move from one area to the other. So the right kicking actually is not coming from the knee but will be coming from the hips. So yan po ang sinasanay sa kanila. And there are two ways on how to teach the kicking. So yun yung una at ngayon po ito naman so that they can also have this kind of familiarity sa water. Ang coaches po or ang trainers, kanya-kanya po ng strategy kung paano tinuturo. But so far, I really like the strategy of our coach and I'm really thankful for that. Yes po, kumukuha po kami ng coach na magtuturo sa kanila because in training swimming, hindi po yun madali. It needs to have someone in the water and it needs someone na nasa taas para po maging lookout or tagabantay ng mga students na lumalangoy. Hindi po kasi isang estudyante lang ang tinuturuan but isang klase. So sa isang klase po mga around 45 to 50 students po yan and delikado po talaga if malingat ka lang. Though hindi naman ganun kalalim yung swimming pool dito na area. This is an Olympic-sized swimming pool but around 4.5 meters lang yung malapit sa diving board and sa gitna po ang medyo malalim. That's why we are really putting boundaries kung hanggang saan lang sila pwede so that to those who are not quite blessed in terms of their height, at least kaya po nilang ma-perform ang task. We divided them into several groups, tagpipito, para mas makita talaga namin kung sino ang nakakasunod at hindi. And yung mga hindi masyadong nakakasunod, we are giving them assistance compared to those na madali talagang nasusundan yung instruction. Ang swimming po kasi ang isa sa mga pinakamahirap na i-learn dahil yung tendency natin natatakot tayo sa tubig, sa lalim ng tubig. But if we know how to swim, as I've said, mas ma-enjoy natin yung pool at yung outing natin pag nasa beach tayo. Yung swimming po actually or yung aquatics ng senior high school is not just merely about swimming but actually in totality it is about aquatics. It speaks about the different activities in the water. So kung nakikita ninyo, nag-enjoy na sila. We are giving them also extra time to practice the skills that were taught to them so that pag mag-practicum, they have no reasons for them not to able to perform. Well, totoo, mainit ang swimming pool area pero it's not a hindrance for them to learn. Ang iba po, yung medyo advanced na, naglalaro na lang, makikita nyo yan, they are enjoying parang mga bata pero mga grade 12 na po yan, no? So kayo, if may chance kayo na makapag-learn ng swimming, why not? Bye!